So I just bought this truck today. It is a 1987 Dodge Dakota V6, and I'm fixing it up. It's got an eight foot bed and a laundry list of problems, but I pretty much expected that. Coming from its age. If we go in here. Oh. Second. Alright, now I got it unlocked. Its interior isn't bad, but I am considering a blanket to throw over that. It's definitely got that old truck smell, but yeah. Despite how it looks, I mean, it starts right up with some effort. Come on, there she goes. So there are a few things to note about this truck. It's got